Mount Etna is erupting again.
Etna is at it again, spewing lava and sending ash into the sky above Sicily.
Mount Etna is believed to have the longest documented history of eruptions among all volcanoes.
Rising majestically on the eastern coast of the island of Sicily, Italy, Mount Etna stands as a witness to the forces that shape our planet. This colossal volcano, the highest and most active in Europe, has captivated the imaginations of locals and travelers alike for centuries. Its rich history, geological significance, and frequent eruptions make Mount Etna a fascinating subject to explore. The history of Mount Etna is deeply intertwined with the ancient myths and legends of the region. Known in Greek mythology as the forge of Hephaestus, the god of fire and craftsmanship, the volcano has played a central role in the cultural and religious beliefs of the people residing in its shadow. The ancient Greeks believed that the mighty Cyclops, one-eyed giants, had their workshops beneath Etna, forging Zeus's thunderbolts. As we step into recorded history, the Roman poet Virgil documented the eruptions of Mount Etna in his epic poem Aeneid, reflecting the volcano's impact on the Mediterranean civilizations. Over the centuries, countless civilizations, from the Phoenicians to the Normans, have sought to understand and coexist with this powerful force of nature. Mount Etna's formation is rooted in the complex geological processes that have shaped the Mediterranean region for millions of years. The volcano is part of the larger tectonic framework of the African and Eurasian plates. The story of Mount Etna begins around 500,000 years ago, as volcanic activity in the region started to build up the foundation of what we see today. Its current structure is a result of both explosive and effusive eruptions, contributing to the formation of a stratovolcano. Over time, the layers of lava, ash, and volcanic rocks have sculpted Etna's distinctive cone, reaching an impressive elevation of approximately 3,329 meters or 10,922 feet above sea level. What sets Mount Etna apart is not just its towering height, but its diverse and dynamic nature. Etna is known for its effusive eruptions, characterized by the relatively gentle flow of lava down its slopes. This type of activity contrasts with the explosive eruptions seen in other volcanoes. The volcano's ability to produce both types of eruptions has made it an invaluable laboratory for volcanologists and geologists. The composition of Etna's lava is relatively low in silica, which gives it a less viscous nature compared to other volcanic rocks. The low viscosity allows the lava to flow more freely, covering large areas over time. Mount Etna's eruptions are a recurring theme in its history, shaping the landscape and influencing the communities that surround it. The volcano has been in near constant state of activity, with eruptions occurring regularly throughout the centuries. Notable eruptions have been documented as far back as 1500 BCE. One of the most significant eruptions occurred in 1669, when lava flows threatened the city of Catania, prompting local residents to build a wall in a desperate attempt to divert the molten rock away from their homes. Despite their efforts, the lava breached the barrier, causing widespread destruction. In the 20th century, eruptions like the one in 1928 and the prolonged activity in the 1970s showcased Etna's fiery temperament. In more recent times, Mount Etna has continued to assert its presence with frequent eruptions, captivating the world through stunning displays of lava fountains and ash plumes. The eruptions are closely monitored by local authorities and scientists, allowing for timely evacuations when necessary. The 21st century has witnessed several eruptions, with notable events in 2001, 2002 to 2003, 2007, 2011 to 2012, and 2018. Each eruption provided a unique opportunity for scientists to gather data on volcanic processes, helping to refine our understanding of the Earth's inner workings. Its latest eruption, like many before it, has become a spectacle of both beauty and danger. The eruptions are not isolated incidents, but rather part of a pattern that has persisted for the past decade, according to the BBC. Mount Etna knows how to command an audience, typically putting on this fiery show several times a year. In 2023 alone, the volcano showcased its might in February, May, August, and November, leaving observers in constant anticipation of its next dramatic act. The eruptions, each with its unique character, contribute to the volcano's status as a dynamic and ever-changing geological marvel. The impact of Mount Etna's eruptions extend beyond the visual spectacle, as residents have occasionally experienced rare and dramatic events. In 2021, one resident described a remarkable rain of stones, locally known as lapillus, a phenomenon not witnessed in their entire life. If you are liking the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Earlier this year, the volcano's eruptions forced the shutdown of a nearby airport due to the runway being blanketed in ash. These disruptions, though infrequent, highlight the tangible impact of the volcano's activities on the daily lives of those living in its shadow. Living in the shadow of an active volcano poses both challenges and opportunities for the communities around Mount Etna. The volcanic soil around the slopes is incredibly fertile, making it ideal for agriculture. Vineyards and orchards flourish on the lower slopes, producing some of Sicily's finest wines and fruits. However, the same volcanic activity that enriches the soil also presents a constant threat. Etna's eruptions, particularly those with lava flows, can pose a danger to nearby villages and towns. Mount Etna's captivating beauty and dynamic nature attracts tourists from around the world. Hiking trails crisscross the lower slopes, providing visitors with the opportunity to explore the unique landscape formed by centuries of volcanic activity. Cable cars and off-road vehicles take tourists closer to the summit, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes and the smoking craters. For those more adventurous, guided tours offer the chance to witness an eruption up close, provided it is safe to do so. Mount Etna's accessibility, coupled with its frequent eruptions, makes it an ideal location for scientific research. Volcanologists and geologists from around the world converge on the slopes of Etna to study its behavior, contributing to our broader understanding of volcanic processes. Sophisticated monitoring systems, including seismometers, gas analyzers, and satellite imagery, help scientists track changes in the volcano's activity. This wealth of data enables researchers to make more accurate predictions about potential eruptions, enhancing the safety of nearby communities. Mount Etna stands as both a guardian and a challenge for the people who call Sicily home. Its towering presence, fiery temperament, and historical significance make it a captivating subject of study and admiration. From the ancient myths woven into its history to the modern scientific endeavors seeking to unravel its secrets, Mount Etna continues to shape the narrative of the land and its people. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comment section below, and make sure to like the video. Thanks for watching.